everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola. I create all kinds of pink beauty, fashion, and decor videos. If you're into any of that, consider subscribing. Click the notification bell below and follow me on my Instagram. All the links will be listed down below. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's unboxing.
Yo sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor.
So for today, I have an unboxing video on two gorgeous pieces that I recently got a few days ago, and I can't wait to open them. This has been literally sitting in my room for the past couple days, so I wanted to do a true unboxing and just share with you the pieces that I got. And I'm sorry if my voice still sounds a little congested. I've just been so sick the past couple days, so I'm just getting over a cold or something, so that's why my voice sounds a little bit off. So before I get started with the unboxing and before I open everything, I will let you know that if you are interested in any of these pieces, you can send me a message either through email or send me a message through my Instagram, and I will share with you the links. Just a quick disclaimer, these are a inspired kind of goods, if you know what I mean, and I do have both. I do have both, you know, real and a couple that are not, and I don't see anything wrong with that. I mean, whatever makes you happy, whatever makes your soul and heart happy, just do it. And honestly, I love splurging on, you know, luxury items, but I also love to be able to explore other options. So with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this. And like I said, if you want more details, send me a message. I also have a coupon code that they provided me, which was great. Shipping was really not bad. It just took maybe like a week or so. So shipping was not bad at all. It comes really nicely packaged, like with lots of tape and all, and a nice sturdy box. But here it is. There are two items. There is a handbag and shoes. So I think I'm gonna start with the shoes. I'm guessing these are the shoes since it's a smaller box. So here are the shoes. They are Dior. Here's the box. Box looks really nice. I actually want to keep the box because I don't have anything Dior. And these shoes are so popular. I've always wanted these shoes. And they even include, oh, this is nice. They even include a dust bag. Like, that's really nice. So they have a dust bag with gold letters. It's really, really good quality. It's like very soft. It's a drawstring. And then there's like a little card that says Dior with a receipt. That's really cool. And then there's like a little card right there. And then this is what it looks like. It says Dior. And here are the shoes. They are beautiful. These are gorgeous. Oh, they are absolutely stunning. They even have that little like star in the back, just like the real shoes. And I got these in a size 38. I am a 7.5 just for reference. But these are absolutely gorgeous. And let me take these off. How pretty. Like the ribbon is so nice, really high quality. It says Dior. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. So they do have these in like the higher heel, but I got the kitten heel just because I'm not a pro at walking with high heels anymore. You know, after you have kids, you're just not a pro at that anymore. So I did get like the smaller heel, and it's so pretty. Like this is like really cushiony too. How pretty are these? And then here's the other pair. I will try these on and show them to you how they look. Very pretty. I am so impressed. Color is gorgeous. It's just like a nude color. Okay, next up is the bag, the handbag. I'm so excited with this one. So it is a Chanel handbag. And let's see if you guys can guess what color it is. I don't know. Let's see. So it comes like this, and there is, ooh, a little camellia flower. Like, that's really nice. And a super long ribbon that says Chanel. This is great. Like, I love these ribbons because you can make so many things with them. You can put them like around a hat or make yourself a bow, and it says like Chanel. I think these are like so cute. Or you can just wrap the box and use it as decor piece. So it does come with those two, which I think is great. And then the handbag, oh, there's more in there. They included a shopping bag that says Chanel, a receipt in there with some other papers, and tissue paper. So here is the bag. It does come double bagged with this plastic, and then with a beautiful dust bag. It's really good quality as well, and it's like really nice. So luxurious. And yes, it's pink. So here it is. She is beautiful. Like, how pretty is this? Absolutely stunning. It does have this hardware that says Chanel. It's really nicely protected. Look how pretty that is. And then it's all quilted in the back. It's really good quality, super soft. You can definitely tell this is like really, really high quality just by the feel, the look, the stitching, everything. Like, there's no flaws whatsoever. It is absolutely stunning. And it's one of these like little, I think they're called kiss locks. So you twist it. Here's the inside. Beautiful. And it does say Chanel Paris on the hardware. It has the stitching here on the flap. The inside is absolutely beautiful. So it has like a lot of space in here. I am so in love with this purse. Let me go ahead and take all this wrapping off, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I took off all the wrapping, and here it is. Isn't she just so beautiful? Like, the strap is really nice. It's so soft, great quality. The hardware is beautiful. It's in this beautiful like gold tone. It says Chanel right here. You can see it. It is absolutely stunning. This is such a luxurious purse, and you can carry it different ways. You can just carry it by the handle, or you can use it as a regular handbag. I'll stand up so you can see what it looks like. So here it is as a shoulder bag. It's like the perfect height. I am 5'6" for reference, and I love this size right here. I think it's beautiful. You can also use it as a crossbody, which I think it's absolutely stunning. So those are the items I got from Tidelocker. I really hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Send me an email if you're interested in these items. I'll share the link with you. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.